Okay, so this is what happened, guys. So, I was in the room. I heard this closet because Mom said our closet door bumps. And when sometimes it bumps, I get scared. But yeah, her closet door bumps.
But you looking over there at the wall over there. You're not looking
So I
at the
decided.
camera. You're looking at the plants and the garbage.
So I decided to sleep with my mother.
Around.
I decided to sleep with my mother that day. So, because I was obviously scared. I sleep by myself a lot, but I just wanted to sleep with my mom that day. But,
Actually, every day.
I mean, I sleep on the floor.
Mm-mm.
This house is haunted. What else do you want me to do?
No, but you tell the truth then. Don't be on your line.
This house is haunted. What else do you want me to do?
Don't be on your line and say, I sleep with my mama every night. And you do. And you take up both all the room. I be hanging out the bed.
I mean, yeah, I slept in my brother's room because my brother left. I did sleep in his
With the light on all night.
Yeah. Repeat.
And then
That house is
that's on Christmas.
haunted.
That's on Christmas Eve. It's on Christmas Eve.
Mom.
And you
I swear
I'm keeping it real.
I heard Jemiah's closet thing.
Mm-hmm.
It was like, and I just went in your room. Okay, so I was saying. I was sleeping. I woke up. I heard Mom recently talking on the phone with someone, and then Mom was playing gospel songs, and then I got up, came back to my bedroom, and then I seen a guy. I seen like a shadow person. Like with that old hat. Like the hat. It's like a hat, and it's like a circle around it. And then I got scared, so I went under the covers. And then, it's like my mind was going crazy. It went, like, when I tried to speak out loud, it wouldn't let me speak. And listen, y'all, listen. I will sleep on my own once we move because, okay, so look, there's a reason. Y'all can't roast me in the comments, but there is a reason I can't sleep by myself in this house.
Okay.
And I cannot say the reason because I don't want people knowing my business.
Okay. When we look at the camera and talk about something else, then it'll be good. Okay. I want nobody to think I'm arguing. Because a lot of my kids think, Mama, you be arguing on no video. I don't want to do that.
Okay, so I was just saying,
Yeah.
it's like this chicken thing, right? So this chicken thing is like why did the chicken cross the road to get to the other side? And then, so this happened in my school, Garla. My old school. I can't tell y'all where to meet, but
You know something?
I'll say the name.
You know, you don't turn around.
I will say the name
Oh, don't talk.
of it. So this is what happened. It's like a farm thing. And then no, this didn't happen at Garla. We're at like a farm at our a thing happened, but they're like this farm thing. Somehow I was making chicken jokes, and then we actually seen a chicken, and the chicken started chasing that person.
Remember the
Okay, go call the school Garla. That'll tell you.
I don't call nobody.
Garla touches the light matches. And then I almost light this guy on fire. Because I threw it. But I'm good at lighting matches now. Because I'm older.
And yeah, now I'm gonna burn the house down. Throw one on that floor, on the table. Get it to it and do it like that.
You made me you dropped my favorite food.
Get up there. Leave it on the floor. I'm posting all of them.
Why?
Them all. Because I want to. But the one we didn't do was with, you know, A-A-R-R-N. It was that, oh well. Everything I'm putting it on now. I don't care. Because it's like, you talk, look at the camera, don't be turning all sideways, bumping on stuff, like, you know, just turn around so they can see you, so looking away somewhere else, talking and stuff. And you gotta be aware. That's why when I was talking, I was looking right at the camera. I looking away somewhere else. I must be talking to the wall or something. Or you must be talking to the plant. I'm ready to do oranges on him. And I'm be done. I'm getting full anyway. I don't eat too much. I can put that over there.
And you guys, you know what we should do?
You guys, what they gonna do?
No, I'm
What
gonna
we
do.
should do or what they should do?
What we're gonna do. Today we are going to prove to you guys our house is haunted. This is gonna be all real. Non-fake. Yes, we're gonna do this.
Yeah.
I might have to
It's probably better we get a camera and they can record it like that, but having this phone doing that don't work. I do the ways of doing it though.
Can I get that bacon? Hey, you guys. Follow me on Snapchat. My Snapchat name is
I got no match. No match.
Love You 9955.
Is that what mine is?
No, it's mine.
What mine is? You the one that made it. I'm not know how to make those Snapchat. I'm not Snapchat. I'm TikTok.
Follow my mom on
It's
Snapchat.
TikTok. Snapchat too.
Follow my mom on Snapchat. Hers is Terry TerryOneal 820.
That's it. And it's well, they don't do it on TikTok, do they? On the Snapchat. See, I ain't got the hang of this yet. But I will. 'Cause I'm new.
Okay, you guys, so follow me on TikTok. It's ADRIANNAHOPEONEAL. Repeat. ADRIADRI. Hold on, no. ADRIANNA. Wait. I don't know how to spell my name anymore. It's ADRIANNAHOPEONEAL.
Yep. But let me. But anyway, we like doing this videos for you guys, but probably going.
I think my brother's room is the most hauntedest room.
The whole house is. This house ain't that big. 2-bedroom.
This house was
Two
bigger
bedroom.
than the 18.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Well, no, it wasn't.
That's what the guy.
Okay, we don't want to argue because you know people say we be arguing and stuff, so we don't want to argue about nothing because you know. But I'm just saying it wasn't. But if it was, I don't care. So like it was born in the 18. They would have had like way more older stuff than what's in here now. So I thought it was like 19 81 or 19, something like that. But anyways, I'm gonna be going and I'll cut it off in a few minutes and clean up everything up and get ready for whatever it has to do. I don't know. Get ready to go on my computer or whatever and something. But I enjoyed doing these videos today, and I'll probably doing more videos. So I'm not giving up. I'm gonna keep trying. And there's that.
1 million likes on this video, me and my mom's gonna go to the most hauntedest hotel in the world.
She is, not me.
1 million likes. Put it like that, y'all.
Okay.
I'm joking.
Peace out.
Easier. 100 likes, me and my mom gonna go to the haunted hotel.
See you. Love you guys.
100 likes.
If you love me or not, I still love you guys.
In God ways.
In God ways.
She don't like you though, Karen.